you confirm that in Zungu's evidence, as you were listening in court, Zungu does not say that he saw you in the company of your co-accused in the vehicle, which was allegedly driven by accused number 5, leaving the hostel, the Basotho hostel.
Bathi ke wena kuZungu kuqinisa ukuthi uZungu awukazi ke umuzwe esho khona njalo ukuthi wakubona wena ogibele ngaphakathi kwemoto ebeyishayelwa ke umsola wesihlanu futhi nehamba nonkana nemuka eBasotho hostel ngelanga la nge-26 October ngomnyaka 2014.
Sacela ungiphindela.
May you please repeat it again?
Yes, when you were listening to Zungu's evidence,
Bathi ngesikhathi lesi bolalele ubufakazi bakaZungu,
is it correct that Zungu does not say in his evidence that
But-
he saw you in the company of your co-accused in the VW Polo hatchback, which was allegedly driven by accused number 5, leaving the Basotho hostel?
bathi kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi uZungu akakaze asho ukuthi yena ke wakubona wena uhamba nabasola bonkana. Ngesikhathi bohamba nabasola bonkana ade nigibele ngaphakathi kwemoto emoto lade kuyi-hatchback Polo beyishayelwa ke umsola wesihlanu nehamba nemuka eBasotho hostel.
Kuyiqiniso akaze esho ukuthi wasibona.